Good morning students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. So students, this is your maths class and in the previous class we have done shapes. Okay, we have done 2D shapes, 3D shapes, right? Do you know what is the difference between 2D and 3D shapes? Can you tell me? Yes? Okay, 2D shapes have two dimensions, okay? They have length and breadth, and in the 3D shapes, it has three dimensions, okay? Length, breadth and height. Okay students, so in this class, we will do page number 75. So be ready with your book and the required material. Take out your book. Have you taken out? Okay. So open page number 75. So students, we have done 2D and 3D shapes as I told you. Rectangle, square, circle, these are the 2D shapes, okay? And cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere. These are the 3D shapes. In the previous class, we have done 3D shapes. Yes. Cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere. These are the 3D shapes. Okay. So now today we will do page number 75. You can see there are different shapes, right? And you have to count the similar figures, or you can say shapes. You have to count the similar shapes and you have to write it down in the box. So shall we start? Okay. So students, as you can see, part A, squares. They have already done. The number of squares are 3. So you can see 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 squares. So 3 is written here, right? So now B part is cylinders. Now we will count the number of cylinders, right? So you can see 1, 2, 3, and 4. There are 4 cylinders, right students? So now we will write 4 in this box. There are 4 cylinders, right students? So cylinder is a 3D shape, okay student? And square is a 2D shape, right? Now next is C part, rectangles. Rectangle is a 2D shape. I will write here 2D shape, okay? 2D and cylinder is 3D, okay? And rectangle is 2D shape, okay beta? So now we will count the number of rectangles, right? So 1, 2, 3. There are 3 rectangles. Okay, students? How many rectangles? 3 rectangles. So, we will write 3. Okay? Clear? Now part D, cube. Cube is a 3D shape. Cube is a 3D shape, right? Now we will count the number of cubes, okay? So students, this is a cube, okay? This is a cube and there is only one cube, okay? So we will write 1 because there is one cube. So you can see this is a cube, right? And this is a cuboid. You can see students, this is a cube. This is a cube, right? And this is a cuboid. Now I will tell you about cube and cuboid, that what is the difference between them. Cube is a 3D shape, right? And the faces of cube are in square shape. Okay, the faces are in square shape, right? And in the cuboid, the faces of cuboid are in rectangular shape. Okay, so this is the difference between cube and cuboid, right? The faces of cube are in square shape and the faces of cuboid are in rectangular shape. You can see the faces of cuboid are in rectangular shape. You can see this is a rectangle. Yes, because the opposite sides are equal. Okay. So the faces of cuboid are in rectangular shape. And in the cube, the faces of cube are in square shape. You can see students, all the sides are equal. And in the square, we learn all the sides are equal. Okay, so this is the difference between cube and cuboid. In the cube, the faces are in square shape, and in the cuboid, the faces are in rectangular shape. Okay, now move to the next. Circles. Now circle is a 2D shape. Yes, so we will write 2D. Now we will count the number of circles. 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 circles. Okay, so we will write 4. Okay students, now part F, cuboids. Now we will count the number of cuboids. 1, 2, there are 2 cuboids. So we will write 2. Okay, there are 2 cuboids. Now next is triangles. Now we will count the number of triangles. 1. Okay, now 2. There are 2 triangles. Okay students, so now we will write the number of triangles are 2. And triangle is 2D shape. Triangle is 2D shape and cuboid is 3D shape. Okay. So hope you understand this topic, right? It is very easy and simple topic. You have to just count the similar figures, right? So complete this page, and now it's your diary time. Take out your diaries. Write down the date. Write down the date and write down the homework. Do page number 76. Okay. Write down the homework, students. Have you written the homework? Okay. So in the next class, we will do the next topic. Till then, take care. Bye. Have a nice day.